Pinterest is full of creative home decor ideas. You don't need to spend a lot to make your home look stylish. With simple DIY projects, you can transform your space. Today, we will explore Pinterest-inspired home decor ideas that are easy and budget-friendly. Grab your supplies and get ready to give your home a fresh look. DIY wall art. For a personal touch, empty walls can make a room feel boring. Instead of buying expensive artwork, create your own. A simple abstract painting is one of the easiest ideas. Pick colors that match your room. Use a brush, sponge, or even your hands to paint on a canvas. You don't need to be an artist. Random strokes and color blending can create beautiful effects. Another great idea is a photo collage. Print your favorite pictures. Arrange them on the wall in different shapes. Use washi tape instead of frames for a trendy look. If you love quotes, print or handwrite your favorite sayings. Frame them or hang them using string and clips for a modern feel. Floating shelves for style and storage shelves are both functional and decorative. Instead of buying expensive ones, make your own. Get a wooden board, paint or stain it, and mount it with brackets. Floating shelves are perfect for books, candles, and small plants. For a rustic style, use reclaimed wood. For a sleek look, go for a white finish. These shelves work great in the living room, bedroom, or even the bathroom. Upcycled furniture for a fresh look. Old furniture can look new with a little effort. Instead of throwing it away, try a DIY upgrade. A fresh coat of paint can transform a dull dresser or table. Chalk paint is a great option for a soft, vintage look. Add new handles or knobs for extra style. If you have a coffee table that looks plain, add contact paper with a marble effect. Cozy DIY textiles for a warm atmosphere. Pillows and blankets make a space feel cozy. Instead of buying new ones, create your own. No-sew pillow covers are easy to make. Use an old scarf or fabric. Wrap it around a pillow and tie it at the back. A chunky knit blanket is another great idea. You don't need knitting needles. Try arm knitting. It's a fun and easy way to create a warm, stylish throw. DIY candle holders and vases for a cozy vibe. Candles and flowers add charm to any space. Instead of buying holders and vases, make them yourself. Use empty glass jars. Wrap them in twine or paint them for a stylish touch. For a rustic feel, glue cinnamon sticks around a candle. It looks great and smells amazing. If you love modern decor, use concrete mix to create candle holders. Peel and stick wallpaper for instant change. Painting can be time-consuming. An easier option is peel and stick wallpaper. It's available in many designs. Floral, geometric, or textured styles can change the entire vibe of a room. You can use it on walls, bookshelves, or even furniture. Creative ways to repurpose items. Look around your home. You probably have items that can be used in new ways. A wooden crate can be turned into a side table. A ladder can become a bookshelf. Mason jars can be used for kitchen or bathroom storage. If you have empty tin cans, don't throw them away. Paint them or wrap them in rope. They make great pen holders or planters. A picture frame can be turned into a jewelry organizer. DIY coffee station for a cozy corner. A Pinterest-worthy coffee station is easy to create. Pick a small space in your kitchen. Arrange mugs, coffee jars, and a machine neatly. A tiered tray is great for organizing everything. For a personal touch, create a chalkboard sign. Write fun coffee quotes like, "But first, coffee." DIY plant decor for a fresh feel. Plants make a home feel lively. Pinterest has many DIY ideas to display them beautifully. A hanging planter is a stylish way to show off greenery. Use macrame to make a holder for your pots. Painting terracotta pots is another fun idea. Use bright colors or gold accents. You can also create a vertical garden. Attach small pots to a wooden pallet for a green wall. Entryway upgrades for a warm welcome. The entryway is the first thing people see. A simple upgrade can make it feel inviting. Make a key holder using a wooden board and hooks. A small bench using crates or an old side table is a great addition. Painting the inside of your front door a bold color adds character. A gallery wall with family photos or quotes makes the space feel personal. DIY bathroom upgrades for a spa-like feel. Small changes in the bathroom can make a big difference. Frame your mirror using wooden trim for a high-end look. Swap old cabinet handles for stylish new ones. Create a spa-like vibe with rolled towels in a woven basket. Add eucalyptus branches to the shower head for a refreshing scent when you shower. DIY lighting ideas for a cozy ambiance. Lighting changes the mood of a room. Instead of buying expensive fixtures, make your own. Wrap string lights around a wireframe to create a glowing orb. Use an old wine bottle as a lamp base. For an industrial look, turn a wire basket into a pendant light. Spray paint it in gold or black for a modern touch. Final touches to complete the look. That you have added all these DIY ideas, it's time for the final touches. Rearranging furniture is a great way to refresh a space without spending money. Mixing textures like wood, glass, and metal adds depth. Layering rugs makes a room feel warm. The best part about DIY home decor is that you can get creative. Pinterest is full of inspiration, but don't be afraid to put your own twist on things. Which DIY home decor idea are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments. If you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more home decor inspiration.